In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create vector art in OpenArt. We'll go from the home page to a polished vector style result, covering how to choose the right style, craft a clear prompt, enhance it with AI, and set the size and number of outputs before you generate. Start on the OpenArt homepage. Move your cursor to the Image section to reveal the creation options, then click Create Image. This opens the image generation workspace where you'll set up your design. At the top, you'll see an area that can switch between different generators, typically labeled Model or Character. Use the switch to choose the one that best fits what you want. Both can work for vector style results. But Character is helpful if your focus is a single subject, while Model can be better for broader scenes. Don't overthink it. Pick the one that matches your goal and continue. Now use the search bar to look for Vector. From the results, select Vector Illustration Style. This preset guides the AI toward clean lines, flat colors, and simplified shapes, hallmarks of vector art, so you get that crisp, scalable look. Type your prompt with clear, specific details. Describe the subject, the style, and the mood. For example, instead of a city, try a minimalist vector illustration of a city skyline at sunrise. Bold, flat colors, simple geometric buildings, clean outlines, high contrast. Mention composition cues like centered portrait, wide skyline, or isolated on white background. And note color directions such as limited pastel palette or primary colors. If you want help expanding your prompt, click Auto Enhance. You'll see options like Quick Enhance, Custom, or Image to Prompt. Quick Enhance instantly adds helpful descriptive detail. Custom lets you guide what gets added so you stay in control of tone and style. Image to Prompt is great if you have a reference image. It analyzes the picture and drafts a prompt from it. Next, choose your output size by setting the aspect ratio. A square format is a versatile choice for logos, icons, and social posts, so feel free to select 1:1:1 if that fits your needs. If you're designing a banner or wallpaper, a wide aspect ratio might suit better. The ratio you pick influences composition, so choose what matches your final use. Adjust the number of images to decide how many variations you want. More images mean more options, but also a slightly longer wait. Pick a comfortable number you can review easily. When everything looks good, click Create and let the AI generate your images. In a moment, your vector style results will appear. That's all there is to it. Clean, bold vector illustrations made in OpenArt with just a few thoughtful choices.